Andrew's an engineer.
Oh, just have to turn it on.
Run that shit.
Stop.
Sorry. Get it running, dude. Get it
I
popping.
think you broke it.
I
Stop,
didn't
stop.
break it. I brought it. I
Stop.
brought it. I brought it.
Yeah, I hope you're not a pilot either. Sissy, that guy crashed like 4 times.
I can do it. That's gonna get us. That's gonna get us kicked out. Drive the truck off the show. Can we drive the truck off the show?
Yeah. Drive it. Hit him. Hit him. Hey, it's a wormer.
I got this. I got this.
Oh, he wants control of it now. It sounds dead. That's a good shot, dude. I got Brooks started. That was a good shot, man.
The trick is not to go from all the way up to all the way down. You gotta kind of slightly go it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely, dude. Get that shit in her hair.
And don't let it go down too far. Oh.
Andrew, nice save, bud.
I got it.
Yeah, here, note to self. Once it gets close to something, turn it off.
Fuck that. Don't answer it, Andrew.
Dude, did you turn the truck on?
No, I turned it on.
I was gonna say turn it on. I can
Hit
turn
that.
it
Yeah. Go. Right.
off. I think it's direction of challenge.
Oh shit.
It's going good.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
He's got it now. He's pro.
Okay, now get into that girl's hair. Oh shit, Jesus. I'm half battery right now. I've been filming so much shit at Applebee's.
Down and kick it. Dude, that was so slow.
It's minutes.
Whoa.
You don't have to-
Oh shit. Oh.
Totally landed it.
Andrew. What-
Save him. Save the people.
Oh man, I kept it. It's hard to make it to stop it from going up and continue.
Yeah.
I think Andrew probably broke it. There we go.
There we go.
Keep it going.
It's alright. It's alright.
Wait.
You got it.
Nope. It's not like me anymore. It's live.
You can only go straight up.
Can you aim which direction it goes?
Oh shit.
Apparently not very well.
Please let me launch it, please.
Go to the back of the store.
Please just launch it once.
No.
That guy's so weird, man.
Stop.
Please
What
let
are
me
you
launch
doing?
it. Let me launch it once.
No, you can just throw it right up.
I know I won't. Please, I'm begging you.
It's my baby.
Okay, I'm not gonna. Please fly into that lady. I'm begging you. Oh god, the guy's watching. I'm begging you. Get it going.
I'll bet you one last 5 seconds. Never mind. Yep.
Watch it.
Hey, we'll give you a quick shave if you need it, man.
Here. Start it up. Get it
I think I
started.
lost some arm
Get it
hair
started.
when
Get it
mine-
started.
Whoa. I'm already blind somewhat. You don't need to take it off.